Okay, in this video, I'm going to explain about another premium WordPress theme that I really love and use, and I see myself using this in 2016 and beyond, is the Extra theme. It's also part of the Elegant Themes WordPress Themes membership that also includes the Divi theme that I talked about in a different video in this course. So if you have not watched the video about the Divi theme or the Elegant Themes membership, then go ahead and watch that video first, because the Extra theme is something like a sister theme to the Divi. So the Divi came first, and then Elegant Themes also launched the Extra theme. The difference is that the Extra theme is more of a magazine type of layout for content-rich websites. So if you're an affiliate marketer and you plan to create just simple landing pages to get opt-in and stuff like that, then you can use Divi. It's more than enough for you to do that. But if you are building a content-rich site using the organic or farming method that I explained in this course, then you may need a theme that actually displays content better for your website, and the Extra theme does exactly that. So on this website at Crail.com, we are using the Extra theme. And although it's very similar to Divi in lots of ways, but it is significantly different enough, okay, in terms of its own style and the functions. So on our homepage, since this is a content-rich website, we have stuff like this, okay, the latest blog post and how this is displayed. This is the part that is different from the Divi theme, and the recent posts. And then you have other sections here where you can create one special section only for a specific category and have it to display in a really beautiful way that you can see over here. The rest of the functions are pretty much similar to Divi. In fact, you can create your own landing page as well with the Extra theme. So here is an example of a landing page that we have created using the Extra theme, and this is specifically for getting internship applications to our company website. And a lot of the features are carried over from Divi theme, but as I mentioned, one thing that is additional in the Extra theme is the ability for you to create different types of layout for each category on your website. So with the Divi theme, you could not do that. You had one type of layout for blogs and blog posts, because the Divi is not really too much on the blog post part but more on the pages. But with the Extra theme, you can have a different layout for every single category, and this is called the category layout or category builder. So I can click on edit layout here, and what you see here for the home page category is very similar to what you see in the Divi theme, because it's all using basically the same code base and the same type of Divi builder as well. So you have your rows, your columns, and you can move things about, okay, and you have undo, redo, and history as well, so you can easily modify the changes and see them before you actually update or launch or publish your page. So for my home page, I can have my content appear like this, okay. I can have the featured post slider, your blog feed standard, which is only available in the Extra theme, and then I can have other modules as well. For example, blog post carousel. I can also have blog feed masonry, blog feed standard, and all the widgets that you see here, it basically displays your latest blog post in a different way. So a masonry style is more like a Pinterest style, okay. You have all the images next to each other, and this is great if your content is very focused on imagery and graphics. Then you may want to use the masonry format, or you can use the standard blog feed format. So with the category builder, you can create a category like this, and then you can apply that category or this type of layout to the different categories on your website. So for example, if I want to apply this category to online marketing and featured posts, then I can just check online marketing here. And whenever someone goes to that category page for online marketing, they will see the content laid out exactly as what I have said here. So I can create as many categories as I want. And if I want to use this for the home layout, then I can just use this layout as the home layout. I can also use this layout as a default layout for any category where I have not specified my own layout. So I've basically created 3 different categories. One is a default category for every single other category on my blog or on my website. One category for the homepage because I want the homepage to be a bit different from the rest of the categories. And another category layout for suckmyad.com. This is our free YouTube channel. So for this category, I want to also put in a subscribe button to our YouTube channel in the sidebar, which I can do very easily with the extra theme by Elegant Themes. Now let's look at the theme options. So for the theme options here, you have the look and the feel, the design, very similar, or I would say exactly like the Divi theme. Okay, so you can do a lot of things with the extra theme. You can control the sidebar, location. Okay, you can also integrate your MailChimp API key or Aweber authorization, and you can put in your social media information here as well to make everything work as one simple solid package within the extra theme itself. And that's good for me because you don't need to get additional plugins in WordPress to do all these things that you see here. For me, the less plugins that I can use, the better it is, because the less points of failure there is. If you've used WordPress for a while now, then you would understand by now that some of the plugins, because they are free, they don't stay updated for a very long time. Sometimes the developers just move on to other things and they just don't release any more new updates. So when a new WordPress version is launched and that plugin is no longer compatible, then you'll be scrambling to find for alternatives. And even if that plugin does work as it's supposed to, it may not look like it's part of your website properly because the plugin may have its own style, its own CSS style sheet. So you may have to go to that plugin and edit the CSS on that plugin to get it to look as if it's native on your site or part of your website, which of course you don't have to do with the extra theme. So you have navigation, layout, ads, so you can easily put in your advertisement code, for example Google AdSense or Amazon, widgets that you can copy and paste from Amazon right into the sections here, or you can go below header, footer, above post, below post. So the extra theme is really more focused on the advertising part than the Divi theme because it's meant for content-rich websites. And content-rich websites, they put a lot of ads. Imagine any popular website that you go to, you see tons of ads everywhere. As an affiliate marketer, however, I don't recommend that you put too many ads. As I explained in my video, there are certain parts of your website that are more effective at making affiliate commissions and sales. And it's definitely not by putting in more banner ads and more codes or AdSense everywhere on your website. You also have built-in SEO functions here, so you can have custom titles and custom formats in terms of how the title would appear like in Google and to other search engines, and you can have your meta keywords for your homepage. You can also do it for single page and index page SEO, but I generally don't use this because I use the Yoast plugin for WordPress or all-in-one SEO, and those give you even more options for SEO. Next, in the integrations tab, so you can have your header code, body code, top code, bottom code. Here's where you put in your Google AdSense and your other codes, for example, Facebook, retargeting pixels, and any other scripts that you need to place, social sharing scripts or any other analytics software. Put it into your head section or body section, depending on what type of software or script it is. And the bottom of your post and before the comments, these two areas, as I explained in my video about the effective layout for affiliate marketing on your website, these are very important sections. So instead of not using them at all, you can actually put in your codes right above the comments or the content area of your website. Okay, so the rest of the extra theme is very similar to the Divi theme, and you can watch that video. I explain more in that video. Now let's look at the Elegant Themes membership itself. Okay, so as I explained in the video about the Divi theme, the good news about the Elegant Themes is that by paying one-time fee of $249 one time, or you can choose a yearly of $89 or $69, you can get access to all the themes in the Elegant Themes membership. Now, if you also want the plugins, then you'll have to get the developer version because the personal version does not come with the plugins, does not come with Photoshop files as well. So you can either go for the developer version and pay per year, or you can do a lifetime access thing and you can get lifetime access. So the good thing about elegantthemes.com is that they really take care of their customers. They give you really good support, answer all your questions very timely, very quickly. And also they actually give you regular updates to all their themes and plugins, which I can't say about a lot of the other premium themes out there, even the ones sold on, let's say, themeforest.net. It's a good place to go and get WordPress plugins, but it's sold by multiple people. Some of them release regular updates, but most of them don't. Okay, so that's all for this video, and if you are looking to create a content-rich niche website to make money from affiliate marketing, I definitely recommend that you get yourself an Elegant Themes membership and try out the Extra theme by Elegant Themes.